DJ Delz.
Alright, welcome to a brand new episode. If you didn't catch yesterday's, please do so. We scored some new chases, and we got another new chase right now. I'm about to unbox. Now, this, I hate doing it, but I had to. I gave up. Threw in the towel because I could not find this chase. And I gave up. I was like, you know what? That's it. I need it. I'm going to buy it on eBay. I paid 30 bucks shipped. And it comes in one of these right here. So, you figure that... Wow. Thank God I didn't mess up my camera. That could have been bad. Still going. Okay. Wow. So, as I was saying, it came in one of these cases. So, you figure that's like $7.99, $8. So, that means I only paid $22 for this Razor Ramon chase with the NWO outfit. So sweet. Too sweet! Too sweet! So awesome. So we finally got the chase, and as I said, I didn't mind paying. I'm tired of hunting this down, going to the store all the time, trying to find it. I got the Rock, I got Razor Ramon. I'm happy right now. I kind of want the Finn Balor chase, and I have the Iron Sheik chase, and I also have the, what's the other chase? The Iron Sheik, and I'm trying to think what the other chase is from WWE. Leave that in the comment box below if you know what that is. But I also got this. This is for my kids, actually. And this is an exclusive that people are really excited about, all these Target exclusives. This is actually from Target. The person that shipped this used the Target box. And this is an exclusive that released a little slow on the shipping. I'm a little surprised because usually when you use your red card, it's free shipping, free 2-day shipping, and that wasn't the case on these. I guess they sold them a little early. They didn't have them yet, but I do. Wow, look how they pack these things, huh? I've never seen them pack like this. Wrapped in bubble. I mean, these should be mint. If they're not mint, then that's pretty ridiculous, I would say. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, if you love Funko Pop, please make sure to do so. And also, besides hitting the subscribe button, look at that. Wrapped real nice. I'm impressed. If you haven't hit the bell next to the subscribe button, it's very important because it lets YouTube know it's okay for them to notify you when I upload a brand new video. So it's crucial that you actually do that. By doing that, basically just okays them notifying you. So, we've got the Flaming Skeleton exclusive from Minecraft right here. Pretty awesome. And I love the flames right there. We will take it out the box. Why not? Here's a look at him out the box. It's kind of translucent here on the flame, which is pretty cool. And up top, the paint is, it's a little ashy over here. That's one thing I noticed about a lot of these like bricked kind of 8-bit styled pops. They do a bad job when it comes to the actual painting. It's really got a whole lot of like prints, or just, it's just not done like how the actual other Funko Pops are. So that's one complaint, but it's a great one. I think this is a must-have if you're a fan of Minecraft. My kids absolutely love Minecraft, especially my older daughter. She is obsessed with Minecraft.
Daddy, pass the box.
Here you go. What do you got? Show Zoe. So tell me a little bit about the skeleton.
This one, it's not on here.
I know, that's an exclusive. What's the whole deal for people that don't know much about Minecraft? What is the skeleton?
It's a bad guy from Minecraft.
Yeah.
And it has his bow and arrow and it tries to shoot you. And it dies in night or day.
Really? This is available right now at Target. Pretty sure you can still pick it up on the internet, so I will put that in the description box below. It also comes with a stand, which is fantastic, because I feel like all Funko Pops should come with stands, and it bothers me how they don't come with stands, and then you're trying to balance them, and you're having a hard time balancing the damn thing, and it's a pain. Before I forget too, I gotta shout out Clint, Franchise Kicks on YouTube. I found out who sent me the Batman outfit for my son. Hey, I just got this sent to me to my P.O. box. Thank you so much for sending this for my son. Had no note, but much love. Thank you so much for sending that Batman outfit. Check it out in yesterday's video where I do an unboxing review on the Tuxedo Cat. And there's a few other things I show on that video, so definitely check out yesterday's video. A lot of great pops I show, and I unboxed this Batman outfit. If you ever send me anything and you don't hear me thanking you, it's because I didn't have a note. Just check up on me. You know, I know you guys want to surprise me sometimes, ladies too, but let me show you this while we're talking. But definitely let me know, or make sure that there's some kind of note so that I know it's from you. And I appreciate anyone that sends me stuff. Really means a lot to me. Thank you so much, Clint. And he's definitely a great dude. Check out his YouTube channel, Franchise Kicks. This is a movie that everyone's going to be seeing this weekend, I would say, right? Black Panther. This is Eric Killmonger. And here is a look at the Black Panther right here. They're coming out with tons of Black Panthers, different versions. They're releasing a Black Panther exclusive, a Target exclusive. I will put the link in the description box so you have it right now for your convenience. This way you know where to find it. This is the Walmart exclusive. Very hard to find right now. I do have an extra one available for trade. Not for sale, but for trade. So if you're looking to make any trades, I'm looking for exclusives, I'm looking for chases. So let me know what you're into. Hit me up if you want this one, or if there's something else you're looking for, hit me up. One chase that I am really looking for right now is the Pennywise chase. I'm willing to trade more than one pop for it. So I'll trade you 2, 3 pops, whatever is the equivalent to what the Pennywise chase is worth, because I do not want to come out of pocket for a Funko Pop that's selling for, I think it's selling for over $50. I'm not paying $50 for a vinyl figure. That's just not happening, and that's really how it's going down. If anyone has another one of these Razor Ramon chases, I do want another one. I want to have one to put on my dashboard because I'm a huge fan of Razor Ramon Scott Hall. Such an awesome wrestler, great guy, love the character, amazing promos he cut throughout the years. I'm a huge wrestling fan. If you're new to the channel, I have tons of wrestling content interviewing some of your favorite wrestlers. So if you're into WWE, make sure you subscribe. Also, I did see the new Negan Funko Pop that came out, or it's about to come out. I'll show you that real quickly. Negan. That's going to conclude today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please hit that thumbs up button. I love seeing a lot of thumbs ups. Share this video. If you know a friend that loves Funko Pop that would enjoy this right here, this channel, let them know. I hope everyone has a great weekend. I'm aiming to do one video tomorrow because I think I'm getting something really awesome sent to me tomorrow. Let's pray. Let's pray we get it. Let's pray to the Funko gods. I'm going to get it tomorrow. And that's it for today's video. If you're just hanging out, check out more. And don't forget, look in the description box below. I will have more information on this guy right here, and also the Black Panther Target exclusive, which it's gonna sell out. So I'm just trying to help you guys. Definitely. If you're into sneakers too, I got the Sneaker Addict t-shirts. I have the other channel, the Sneaker Addict. It's a huge channel. We got, I think, 170,000 subscribers. So if you're into sneakers, you're new here, check out the Sneaker Addict channel and pick up a t-shirt. That will be linked also in the description box. We out of here. Much love. Everyone have a great day.